I'm totally afraid. I'm afraid of everything. I'm afraid of losing. I'm afraid of being humiliated. But I'm totally confident. The closer I get to the ring, the more confidence I get. The closer, I'm more confident.
The new definition of confidence. Confidence is the willingness to try.
My confidence comes from both my faith and in the fact that I keep promises I make to myself.
Borrow confidence from the past.
Confidence. Confidence. Confidence.
Confidence. Confidence.
Confidence. Confidence.
That it's maybe earphones.
Okay, it's okay. Like, okay, how are you? How is your life in new country?
Here, well, like it's kind of a new international experience for me.
Mm-hmm.
First time I went abroad for education. Like, totally
Like,
new.
have you got the opportunity?
total-
Like, first tell me about that experience. Like, how you got and why you choose to come?
Actually, after completing my graduation, I went to I went to other university for studying my master's in tourism and management. The university name Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, located in Madhya Pradesh. Actually, my university we have MOU, Memorandum of Understanding with foreign universities.
Okay.
Latvia, Latvia University of Applied Sciences. We have a MOU. So we have a opportunity to study one semester in foreign
country.
university.
Okay.
They are giving scholarship for studying here.
Mm-hmm.
Total for staying and for all expenses they are giving. But there is a lot of restrictions behind the scholarship because we have to fulfill that their needs.
Okay, like a
We have to
requirements,
complete the study
terms and
according to
conditions.
their needs.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, there are restrictions, terms and conditions.
Okay.
So,
Like, can you
in my
explain,
uni-
like, what are those, like, if it is like a privacy thing, no need to explain, but if you can.
yes, I can. No, not like that. Only study requirements.
Okay, like what?
Complete the course. We have to pass all the subjects.
Okay. Even if you
We have
fail
to do
also,
project.
you need to come back, like. Okay, okay.
Then actually, our university we have 30 students in our department in IGNTU.
Mm-hmm.
They have conducted one exam and interview.
Okay.
They have chosen all of 30 students. One of them from that group.
Oh.
They selected me and they sent me here.
Oh, out of 30, they selected only one, or?
No, two people. Me and one of my friends.
Oh, only 2 people out of 30.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, okay.
And we two came here and 3 students from other university.
Oh, okay.
3 from India became like total 5 students.
Oh, okay. So that exam that conducted, like, is it like related to your subject or like general aptitude or?
It's like general. It's like one essay type of exam, like why you are going to use this
Opportunity.
opportunity.
Okay.
When you take that.
Oh, okay.
And they have choose us. Then we came here. Then we started studying my final semester here. Almost my semester is come to an end. Like we have completed 70% of subjects already.
Oh, okay.
Then about my visa interview experience, I need to tell.
Yes. Like, if you want, like, please explain. Like, have you taken any guidance before coming, or like before going to visa interview from your professor or from your seniors?
Like I used to YouTube mostly for
Okay.
visa interview.
Like not about especially only
Actually,
visa, but about taking a decision of going abroad.
I already one of my seniors came to me. He
Okay.
completed it. I contacted him. I discussed with him.
Okay.
Told very well about the conditions and all, about the how you are going to improve of the team here. Like that, I got a lot of information. Then I chose to come back this country,
Okay.
and my professors also suggested me about these things, how it's going to do there, like here in Latvia. So I have chosen about my visa interview. Like I didn't approach any consultancy.
Consultant.
I only made my all visa application and all things till the interview.
Okay. So is it like you need to
But
fill, you need to submit any financial documents or
because we have a grant, so they sent it for grant
okay.
agreement.
Okay. Okay.
I shown grant agreement as well as showed funds also for 6 months.
Okay.
I made like 2 lakhs. I think 2,50,000. I showed the funds in my bank account.
So it
That time
like
for visa interview.
you took bank loan for that, or like
Yes.
you took bank loan to show that like a 2 lakhs amount in your account? Okay.
Yes. There is a requirement of showing the amount of for staying for 6
6
months.
months. Okay. Okay.
Then I have choose. Then I have deposited that sufficient fund in my bank account. Then I have also grant agreement because safest I shown two of them.
Mm-hmm.
Then I only played all the things like, but I have taken help from my friends. Like we have total 5 students. Then we are only discussing any problem if we occur in the visa process.
Okay. Okay.
So the group work is helped us to make our visa successful.
Okay. Like how was the visa interview? Like what questions they asked?
Like they asked it like simple questions only.
Okay.
Like first my firstly I have firstly I went for submitting my application on one day.
Okay. Oh, you need to go
Then
in person and
2 days
submit the application. Is it not online?
yes, offline only. I have to means I have filled the application in online, but I have went for direct for verification of my all certificates.
Oh, okay. 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 Got you.
They have verified my all certificates. Then after like 1 week, they have sent one letter, interview letter.
Mm-hmm.
Then after then I went to interview. Like my interview takes like 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Then
They asked about your like why are you going? Like what is
they have a few questions. They have asked a few questions like first introduce myself uh, like I introduced about me. Then after actually for regular going students, suppose the person who completed graduation, his interview questions are different, but my interview questions are totally different. Like that, we have going for only for 6 months.
okay. It's like a
So they
temporary visa kind of, right?
no, no,
Yeah.
but the interview perspective is totally different from others.
Mm-hmm.
They have asked about we have a study agreement like subjects. They have asked about all my subjects.
Okay.
So before going to interview for visa, we have to know very well about the subjects we have to in the study agreement. It's most important because he will ask questions, basic questions from that subject.
Okay.
He asked me some questions in my subject related.
Okay.
Basic questions, basic like subject, like I have some subject like sustainable tourism. What is sustainable tourism? Like
Mm-hmm.
then he asked like about the country.
Okay.
Means like what do you know about this Latvian country? Then I told about total country. Before I'm going to interview, I chose
You did your
seen.
research, like.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I have written because I predicted some of the questions. Like we have to predict before
Yes,
going to
because
some
like
questions.
that's the basic homework we need to do. Yeah.
Yes. Without doing that, we can't get visa.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Don't we no need to bother about visa interviews like that much. I am also scared about the interview, but it's
Mm-hmm.
not that much.
But because like you have you got to know about the university, you research, you did your homework right from your part, so that
Yes,
helped you, I think.
I see that my university prospects they have sent it before. We have to see the prospects courses like the subjects fees, and we have to convert. We have to know the suppose if the euros like we have to deposit like 3 lakhs, so we can tell how much fund we deposited in our account. Like we have to show in euros because the person who are interviewing is from that uh, Latvian
Mm-hmm.
guy. So we have to know the funds in euros also. It is also most important.
Okay.
And he asked about because I'm going for fourth semester now. See, he's asked about what on what topic you are going to write thesis.
Oh, okay. It's like a project work after your semester.
Hmm. Then I told thesis. I have already done thesis before came here, so I told about all my thesis work. Then he satisfied with that.
Oh, okay.
Then he's asked about why you are choosing this country, especially why you are not in France, why you are choosing this country. So I
Like,
told that
do
we
you
have.
have option to choose different country other than this?
No. I told that I have only one chance.
Oh, okay, okay.
I have only one chance to go for my exchange semester. So I told that, okay, hold. I told that I have only chance. So then I can do. Like that I
No,
told.
and the question I have is like, is it the only country you have that opportunity to go, or like they have given?
We have only one country.
Oh, okay, got you.
So he told that okay. Then like he asked about how many subjects you choose, like simple questions.
Oh, okay,
That's it, my visa interview. Then I got the visa in within 2 days.
okay. So, where is it? Is it in Hyderabad or in different place?
Yes,
Huh? It's
yes,
in.
Hyderabad.
Oh, okay, okay.
But while preparing for visa, we have to take the assistance because we have 5 people. We don't have any problem because we are discussed, and
Mm-hmm.
also we are from tourism student. We are know about little bit about visa background.
Mm-hmm.
So it helped me. But before going to any country, we have to take the assistance of our friends or any the person who know very well.
Mm-hmm.
Without that, we are going to fail in documentation process.
Yes.
It's all about my visa interview, but I'm like it will take like 45 days to complete my full visa process.
Oh, okay.
From application to ending till the
Like,
I got.
you got your visa stamping.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
But of
So
course, it was like a kind of new experience of applying visa.
definitely, like applying is also like, even when you apply also you'll be like scary. If I do any mistakes, what will happen?
I really like December I started.
Mm-hmm.
Like December, in the middle of December I started. Like end of like June 25, like that, I got the visa. total, I didn't get sleep also because I'm getting scholarship now. If I didn't get,
Yes.
there is a lot of
Like you
hopes
need
on
to,
me.
yeah, you need to fulfill that requirements, because they have given out of 30, they have chosen only 2, right? So
Yes. Now I'm going to tell about my experience in the study program, study here.
mhm. Like
Really,
one question. So you came to I don't know about that country name. I can't spell it.
Latvia,
Latvia.
Lat- Latvia, Europe.
Okay,
Like it
okay,
is a Baltic countries. There
okay.
are 3 Baltic countries.
So
Most
like when classes had started, when is the start date of the class? And you started your preparation in December 2019, right?
my classes started in February.
February 2020.
No, February 2020. February 1st, my classes have started already.
Okay,
But we joined like February 3rd.
okay. You came to this country on February 3rd, or
No, like I started my journey like February 1st in
okay,
Hyderabad.
okay,
Then almost I reached like February 3 here.
okay.
I started like February 3, my exchange semester. Then one thing really from my perspective,
Mm-hmm.
since from my childhood I don't have this technological experience, the computer, like doing the my classwork in computer. We have to write like graduation. We are writing with only pen and paper.
Yes,
But
yes.
after came here, I didn't even use the pen and paper. Sometimes I used to note down some things, but we have to use totally laptop. I bought a laptop like 1 year back.
Oh, okay.
So it's like I can able to do the projects very well, but I can't make in the fast mode.
Okay, like exam, when you write exam, you can't type it, right? So you need to type all the, oh, that will be like very difficult, right? Oh, then how you overcame that? Because you'll have assignments, you'll have like mid exams, like that, right?
This is like uh, we are daily what they assign the assignment we have to do. We are doing more hard work. Like we
Oh,
are spending more time on assignments. That only the thing we can talk.
okay, okay. But will they give ample time to submit assignment? Like, are you able to submit on time?
Yes, 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 we have
Okay.
to submit. I got like most subject I got good grades also till now. I
Awesome.
also sub. Oh my God, I am also doing well like that.
Nice, nice. Like, how is your confidence level? Like, because before coming and after coming, after coming to different country.
Like I'm scaring about how can I complete my course.
How can you
Like
survive?
this is still I have some inferiority complex in my because
Mm-hmm.
some I have some subjects left also. So I sometimes I'm feeling very low.
Okay.
But when you go through all the results and all, so I
Mm.
think I'm also completing all this, so I can complete anyway.
Okay. But like when you start giving the exam, you are feeling scary. But by the end of the result, you are like satisfied. Okay.
Like we are entering in that process now. We are going to complete because we have that much. I'm the people who come from India, they can complete. I know
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
because we are doing maybe hard work, a lot of hard work.
Yes.
We
Yes.
have to
Mm.
complete. Like
Like when you are coming to different country, like what is your parents' perspective? Like how they guided you?
really, my parents like they are not well educated. Like they are
Mm-hmm.
educated.
Mm-hmm.
like they are thinking that he can do everything like that. They are feeling.
Okay, they gave you that confidence.
They are also boosting my confidence. You can do. Don't worry. You can do. Anytime there, I'm telling that the problems here. I'm not good at like this. No, no, no. You can since from childhood you are good at all things. You can now also you can do the things very well. No, don't worry like that. Anytime they are boosting my confidence level because the parents is the most important.
Yes, yes.
So
Because like there you don't have any other support, right? So
yes, when I'm feeling low, then I call to my parents. They are only like giving some pulse.
I totally understand. Yeah.
But before going to any country, foreign studies, my best suggestion is to we know very well about the basic of subjects. Without that basic knowledge of the subject, we can't able to manage the things.
Okay. Like even before coming to like this country, have you got to know like about this online examination, online submitting? No, you don't know.
Very Moodle and all things. We have internet Moodle. Then we have to submit all assignments in Moodle. But in India, we have to submit this in the web. We have to wait department to submit that.
Like you said, your seniors are already there in that university, right? So like, have you got that information from your seniors or? Okay.
Don't about the things like. But in the initial days, I have like I'm not habitual that activity, so it will takes time. It taken a lot of time to know the all
It
the things.
created like so much pressure on you, like a pressure, stress. Yeah.
But sometimes I feel, hey, this is all simple. Don't worry,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that.
There is so much. There is so much in life. Yeah.
It's really to because we are also managing the local, like we are also getting the equal grades like local people. We are our feeling is like, oh, we are great. We are making same like other people's.
Nice.
And I am in the initial days because our language is so fast English,
Mm-hmm.
our mother tongue effect. Some people told that you are speaking fast, we can't able to understand you like that. So slowly I habituated the language here,
Okay.
English slowly.
They
So now
only
I
speak only English or any other different language?
home language, Latin language.
Oh, okay, okay.
Now means the people here mostly speak Latvian language, but in the university, the people will speak only English.
Oh, okay.
But we are staying like small town
Mm-hmm.
here,
Mm-hmm.
so the people mostly from rural background, the people who are staying
Yeah, yeah.
students.
In most of the countries, universities will be in like small cities, like because uh, students they need to fulfill their expenses, right? So if it is in big city, they can't bear the expenses.
Like you see, like you are from like Nagarjuna University, like here,
Mm-hmm.
like same
So like
the
how is working with studying with the students out there? How are they? Are they friendly?
they are very friendly,
Mm-hmm.
but like not like here we need to go out like uh, we need to roam like they are not that much close, but they are very friendly. Like hi bye. Like if we have any doubts, then we can contact the local students. They are helping out with the assignments and all.
Oh, okay, okay.
And the one more thing is, I have to suggest one more thing. Suppose I came from tourism and business management background, but I have chosen one subject like computer science. I don't know about related to computer science,
Oh,
but
okay.
I don't means like it is like kind of my subjects only, but there is some we have to use some software to predict the project results. So we are when we choose a study agreement, we have to know what subject we are taking, what difficulties we are going with the subject.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to remember that the thing we are facing some problem, but we can do we can clear the subject as well. But we have to know what subjects we are taking, what results we are getting with the subjects. Yes.
Nice. Like, what about food? You said
Like
you are having difficulty with the food, right? In the initial days.
initial bits, like I'm vegetarian. Really, I don't want to tell, but I need to tell.
Mm-hmm.
Here the things were like non-veg foods.
Okay,
It
okay.
was new for me. Like I daily I only cook the food because I didn't habituated for making the food in India. I don't know about how to make the rice also. But after came here, uh, I did, because of COVID-19 situation also we are not allowed to go outside. Since from 3 months we are cooking inside the room.
Okay.
Get any outside food. Like since from 3 months I only making the food. Now I'm able to cook the food
So
very well.
you are living with your roommate, like Indian roommate?
Yes, yes.
Oh,
We
okay,
have
nice.
we like I bought like lots of stuff from India, so
Oh, okay.
I
Like
do skill.
pickles?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Nice. So, like, do you find like Indian stores out there to
Yes,
get a
yes.
groceries and vegetables?
In grocery I can't find it. The stuff. Then I bought all the things. So
Mm-hmm.
now I'm making like all kind of stuff like dal kind of things. I bought like 3 to 4 type of dal. So I'm
Oh,
making that.
okay, okay.
It's totally like independent I'm feeling right now.
Mm-hmm.
Cooking, making, and
Because you
living
need
with
to take your own decisions, right? So there is no one to help out. Yeah.
how to take all the grocery, how to buy the things, we have to do all the works. Really, it's like totally independent. Like sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Because like if you are in India, you will be in like a comfort zone.
Yes, yes, yes. And living with like we have exchange students like from like France, Spain, Ukraine, Netherlands, and then Turkey.
Mm-hmm.
Like we Indians, totally big group of people. It's like new kind of experience. Like totally the thinking perspective. I think maybe we change. My
Mm-hmm.
like it's kind of new experience living with the people togetherness. It's kind of good experience. I think it will change maybe in future also my thinking perspective.
Definitely. Like you will be thinking more independent, or also it will be in a like a positive perspective. You because you have like gone through that challenges, right, in that country. So
Yes. Then my different experience, like we didn't travel anywhere like in the local town. We traveled, we have
okay.
lots of because we have to we are thinking to different countries because we have Schengen visa. We have to like 20 more than 20 countries. We have think more, but the COVID-19 situation we are stuck into the rooms.
Okay. So, like, is there any, when is the last date for your course? When you need to come back? June? June 2020?
July 3rd.
Oh, okay, okay. July 3rd.
Yes.
So, by that
Then
time, you'll be finishing all your projects and all your exams? Oh,
so you asked about we have to discuss these things, but previously, like 10 days back, I'm very busy with my works. That's why I told that we
yeah,
have
yeah.
to
I
talk.
totally understand. When you are telling about the assignments, like online submitting, I totally get it.
Yes, I understand how the studies they are like for masters, bachelor students here in foreign. Like this
Mhm.
one semester only given total the perspective of the studies abroad.
Mhm.
giving full understanding what I need to study in future. Like it's a kind of total one big experience, like deep.
It's like a different altogether. It's like a contrast to India, right? So.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have lots of plans to do things, but I didn't get the time to do different things with
Okay.
my study.
Like what? Different things.
Like I want to start like podcasting consistently,
Yes,
but
yes.
I started by throughout me I bought like few courses. I didn't want to do podcasting course like I have started, but my work, my assignments and all things I can't able to manage. So hopefully I can meet up my course.
Oh, okay, okay. But the thing, like what I would suggest is like you told me, right? Sometimes I'll feel low or stressed. So, and also this is not the time to go out, right? You can't go out and walk. So use that opportunity to do a podcast for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Yeah.
I also said about
Yeah, so
the-
that you can reflect your, like, so that you can express yourself.
Then I also understand this. Whatever we do in podcast, it will use better results. I seen that there is in Telugu there are few podcasts. I found that top podcast also. Yours podcast is also I think maybe top 10.
Mhm. Because like right now in Telugu, like no one is using that opportunity.
I done some research about podcast in Telugu. Like all are recording like 4 to 5, then they are stopping.
Okay, okay.
I think for yours, I think maybe like above 100 maybe.
Yeah, I stopped it for 2-3 months, but and like in the last month I started again. Because what I do is personally I record YouTube videos, right? So I extract the audio from that video and I use it as a podcast. So I don't do separately. So that's the opportunity I have.
The thing is, you are doing like the mix of things, like different perspective you are doing. Like you are doing inspiration and all the things. But I am from so many days I am thinking that I want to go particular niche. So I am can't able to manage a particular niche. So I am also thinking that whatever you come, then you can just record and
Yeah, because like in the starting days we'll have so many ideas, right? So we need to test everything. That's what I'm doing right now, because even right. Yeah.
For me, I'm thinking that I want to do like tourism. I want to do like inspiration.
Mm-hmm.
And in the thinking process only, I am wasting.
You're stopping. Yes, yes. Yeah.
I'm also thinking that I have taken lots of people's suggestion. They are better just to do whatever you know. Then you can do now for like 50 episodes. Then you know what do you want to, which particular niche you want to go.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm thinking that okay, Revati doing good because she's mixing all the things. So after some days we can also getting the thing what we need. So I'm also thinking to do that.
The thing is like what I'm doing is, as I told you, I'm not doing separately podcast, right? So I'm using all my video stuff in the podcast. So that's why it's like all random stuff.
And slowly I seen that your YouTube also going increasing.
Yes.
Your subscribers. So also good.
Yeah,
so I'm thinking,
because like I have lot of ideas, like I want to do this, but like in the thinking staging only, it is all stopping me. Okay, I need to be perfect. So that is like, but I said no. First, I wrote all the thoughts in a journal, like what all I want to do. Then I started implementing one by one.
After last time we are after interacting, we are already interacted in the last time.
Yes,
That time
yes.
I have started one video about my podcasting. What is podcasting?
I saw it on Instagram. Yeah.
Other people are texting me, "Hey Ramu, can you help me out with podcast? Can you
Like
tell
some
me?"
of your, couple of your friends, like in from your class or your juniors, they contacted me on Instagram.
This is they told, "Hey Ramu, we already contacted Revati. She told about the things. Mm, She also want to interact with me, but they have some exams that time with
Okay,
my
okay.
friend."
Mm-hmm.
I told that I already told many times about podcasting and the things. So before telling, I need to show them. I have
Yes,
already recorded.
like you need to be an example for them. Yeah.
I have already recorded five podcasting series.
Okay.
I shown lot of my friends. They are also shown. "Hey, Ramu, you are doing well. Yeah, you can do more about." But in the thinking process of niche only, for selecting niche only, I am like stop. So I
Okay.
am thinking that I have to do whatever I do.
The thing is,
Like,
you have more content right now with you because you came to different country, right? So there are so many topics you can discuss.
I'm thinking that.
Yes,
So
because the thing, what you need to do is just write all the topics on a paper and just start doing one by day. Because it takes like 5 to 10 minutes, right? If it is a small topic, yeah.
like you, I have contacted a lot of persons. They are also helping me for how to improve the communication and how to improve your self confidence. Like
Mm-hmm.
I have a lot of social media friends like you.
Mm-hmm.
Really, this social media helping lot of
If you
stuff.
like, if we use it in a positive way, like there are so many people, there are so many people out there to help you. Because that's why I got to know you. I got to know because I found that confidence from Evan Carmichael, different person, like his content. So
So I'm also thinking that would be just posting our pictures. We have to do some work in Instagram and LinkedIn. Like we have to do whatever we have to post whatever we know. So that's why we connected with the different people and
mhm.
grow ourselves. So I started posting the different things. Like I started one Facebook page about my education. Like it
Okay.
also grown slowly growing. Like I'm using kind of social media mostly now because a lot of things after
But
knowing this
like
book.
I totally understand you, but because when you have so many thoughts, you will start consuming it instead of creating the content.
Really, I'm consuming more content these
Yes.
days.
So you are spending so much time on consuming. Instead of that, like reduce that time and start creating, because that will help like your juniors who want to come to different country, like as you came.
Then I want to know about some things from you, like how podcasting helping.
Like podcasting helps me to be consistent whatever, like i I'm like practicing not to think more, like I strongly practicing on 5% planning and 95% execution. So that's the thing, I'm like really on it. Sometimes I also get so many thoughts like, okay, I need to be perfect before creating it. But right now I'm telling myself it's okay to be not to be perfect. Start, like when you start only you will get to know your mistakes, how to correct. You will get all the thoughts, okay, I did something, how can I correct it, how can I make it better. So that really helped me. Like even before starting the podcast, I took almost like 6 7 months to start it, because I also thought, oh, I think it is a big process. Oh, I need to contact different people to get to know about a podcast. But one day, I told myself, just like take any, you have so many like YouTube videos, how to start a podcast. On that day, I started, like, I took my phone and I installed Anchor app. It took me just 5 minutes. Yes.
Process.
Yeah. After that, like after installing, and like right at that moment, I recorded like a 2 minutes video, like a 2 minutes recording, saying that I postponed it for 6 months, but like right now I'm on it. So that's how I started, and also it helped me to like uh, publish my contact in different platforms. So I'm on YouTube. So like my content is reaching, my content is helping students in a video format through YouTube. And I thought, okay, I have so much content on YouTube. Why can't I take audio content from that and publish on podcast? I don't need to do any homework, right? So if I publish on Anchor app, it will automatically distribute in
Yes.
7 or 8 other apps, that to Apple Podcast, Google Podcast, so many big. So like through that also, like students, like I can serve the students through audio version as well. Like even like you got to speak about, like you found me on like a podcast, right? Like 2 other people or 3 other people, but they like just like that, they searched for Telugu podcast, it seems. So they found my name and they contacted me on different platforms like Instagram. I saw your podcast on this, and they contacted me, and I spoke to a different person through the same way like I spoke to you.
How many people teached about the podcast, how to start podcast? Like, I think you are your kind of friends. Like, how many people you have teached about podcast?
Like
how many start?
views, in the terms of views, are you talking about views?
Like, how many persons have started with by knowing your podcast? Like,
I'm not really sure, but like 5-6 persons contacted me through like through Facebook or through Instagram. Like we also want to start. So I said you can. Yeah, like I also did one YouTube video saying that you can use it for any purpose, like for building up your confidence, like preparing for your interviews. So like I posted that video. So maybe in the future also I'll do a series like how can you use it. Right now I have like almost 3,500 plays on podcast. Yeah.
But for growing the podcast, is consistency is matter. I
Yeah,
understand.
that definitely, because like we don't know how, on which day that content helps you, like helps that person or helps somebody. We don't know, right? So if that person feels like, oh, this content really helped me on that day, he or she will share it to her friends or her family, right?
Can you suggest me some of good books have you read like previously?
Sure. Like I told you, right? One of my favorite book is Ben Carmichael's One Word. That
This one.
Your One Word. Your One Word. Mm.
Yes.
So that book
Evan
helps. Yeah, Evan
Yeah.
Carmichael. Yes. So that book really helps you to know more about yourself, like finding your one word, because all of us have like unique, specific word which resembles our personality. So that really helps you to, okay, like there are some like exercises where you can fill out that worksheets and you can get to know, like for example, who is your favorite teacher, why that person is your favorite teacher. Because when you have that favorite person, you don't like, you will like the qualities of that person, right? Like, oh, this is the quality that I like in that person. So like other question, Like you need to write 3 qualities of that favorite teacher. And who is your favorite hero? Like if somebody, like what are the 3 qualities that you like in that hero? So like when you look those answers, those qualities, you'll find like a more unique word from your list. So like you will, because you will connect to that those persons, because you want to have that quality in you, like a quality. So that really helps you. And I started.
I think it is allows me like we have to do small exercise kind of things.
Yes, yes,
We
on yourself, that too.
don't blindly set up one work. We have to do
No,
some work.
exercise, yeah, it really helps you. And I started, like I read Think and Grow Rich. That is one of the best book. And I like recently I read Sudha Murthy, you know, Infosys founder, right? Sudha Murthy. I read a couple of her books. Like they are like very like English is like very easy one. Like you can understand. When you start reading her book, you'll be like, oh, you'll start visualizing the story. So, and also you will learn the lessons from her story. She will explain little bit pieces of from her experiences. So it really, those books are really good. Sudha Murthy's books. Like there are 6 or 7 books. So I bought a couple of those books. And I also started listening audiobooks.
Like I'm facing difficulties while registering for Amazon Audible. How we can get Amazon Audible book from internet? They
You
are
need
asking
to,
like
okay. The thing is, I
like
think
other like Amazon other than Amazon Audible we can listen in other platforms like for audio.
audio wise, I use Audible. I have Audible, but you need to register with your Amazon account. That's for sure. The thing is, like, I have bought some audiobooks so that I can, yeah. Like, I bought some audiobooks. But the thing is,
What I'm asking is there another source other than Amazon Audible for listening audio?
listening audio, like podcasts, YouTube. Other than that, yeah. What I like, I bought this Amazon Alexa.
Okay. Oh, that's great.
Yeah. So like even when I'm working, started playing. So
Okay.
yeah, like I'll keep some podcast or audiobook on that. So like I'll start listening while I do some work. So it is really helping me because I have that habit of listening to interviews. Like I'll keep some interview on YouTube and I'll do cooking. So that's like I habituated from the past 2-3 years.
Can you suggest me some of the good podcast episodes
Like channels.
yes, channels,
Tom
best
Bill,
channels?
like a Tom Billu. Tom, Tom, Tom. Yeah.
Tom?
Tom Billu. Tom, Tom. Billyu. Yeu. Tom Billu. Like it is one of the best channel. Like you will find about health and also you'll find about entrepreneurship mindset. Yeah, like it is a very good resource for. Like what they will do is they'll post 1 hour long interviews and they will extract the audio and they'll post it on podcasts like Google or Apple Podcasts. But it is one of the best resource for getting positivity. And also Lewis House, Lewis. Lewis. Lewis House. HOWES. It is also one of the best resource for podcast.
Like he's teaching like affirmations, right? Affirmations.
No, he is not the one. He does interviews mostly.
Okay.
Yeah. Like
I used to yes. Like I used to same kind of name, Louis.
oh, okay.
She's getting like how to offer an affirmation, how we can do affirmation, like the things like positive thinking kind of things. She is producing content.
Oh, okay. So there is like Jay Shetty.
Yes, I used to listen.
Jay Shetty, and also there is one person called Bob Proctor. He mainly tells about like all the his content is most about Think and Grow Rich book. He uses that book as a Bible. Think and Grow Rich. Yeah, he carries that book everywhere. So that is also one good channel. Like he explains us how law of attraction works. Like he also explains about affirmations and all that, like a power of visualization and all those things. So these
I
are.
have got one question about podcasting. Suppose the person who want to start podcasting, but he is lack of communication and the things. So suppose for doing interview, we need to have a good communication maybe. So what your suggestion to the person who want to start his podcast? He is at lacking at communication. Is it right where we have to improve more and more, then we can start the podcast?
No. The thing is, start the process. During the process, you will get better because you are doing the practice, right? So it is helping you to do the practice. No need to do it separately, right? No need to do like but what you can do is like right now what we are doing is you are not perfect, I am also not perfect, but we are communicating. That is what.
In front of me. You are taking me in front of camera. Because I didn't talk to person in front of camera. Like I used to talk with my classmates, but I didn't like I usually after came here I used to talk with in my seminar presentations. Like I habituated with camera, like talking in presentation in front of camera. Like you are taken in front of camera like that.
Yes.
And you are saying you just need to start.
Yes,
Then
because
you can,
once you start, you will get to know. Like if you watch that your whole video, you will see the huge difference in yourself. Like when you watch the first video, what we did together, there will be like huge difference, right? So
because I used to think more about think more and more what I need. Like,
more about being perfect.
but these days, right now also I'm not perfect. I'm imperfect, but I used to talk a little bit fast than compared to previous.
But the
Because
thing is, like, how we can get better is when you start doing the process, you need to check your old content. That will help you where you can correct. Like what I did during my initial days of YouTube is like I'm not this fast speaking in front of the camera. So what I used to do is I used to watch my old videos that I did. So like what I used to correct is I used to have like so much a gap in the sentences. Like I am like I'm not prepared. If I'm not prepared, I can't deliver the content. So like those corrections I did in the process by watching my old stuff, by listening my old stuff. How can I improve myself? Like by visually, by explaining. After doing Instagram and YouTube, it really helped me to think like, oh, how can I present, or how can I like it gave me. It changed my whole perspective and also presentation skills, the way of explaining, and also it changed like a patience. So
suppose if we suppose I think you are already started podcasting. I also started like 5 episodes. It like makes the podcasting making like we are going to record the pod, we have to schedule the meeting, we have to record the meeting, we have to edit that podcasting audio,
Yeah.
then we have to upload it. It's kind of one kind of process. It's like makes us somewhat techie, technology person. Like
No. The thing is, like, you want to become good at speaking. You want to become good at communications, right? So don't spend much time on editing stuff. Don't put your concentration on that. But
yeah,
like work on if you have a good microphone, it will be that's enough. That's enough to
yes,
record from your phone, right? So like think like without any disturbance, I need to record. That's it. That's the only main motto you need to have before recording. Because if you have that clear audio, they need to then you no need to edit the recording, right? So you can just directly post it. You can directly publish it. So you need to spend most of your time on communication, like topics, what to talk, how can I better myself, not on editing. That's what I learned from Evan Carmichael. He always says, even when I do YouTube videos, I don't spend much time on editing. I used to spend 3-4 hours to edit one interview. That I did 1 hour long interview. I spent 3-4 hours to edit it. It's like opposite, right? I don't want to be a good editor. I want to be a good speaker. If you want to be a good editor, then you need to spend like 3-4 hours on that particular skill. They don't need they don't need to spend on speaking, right? Because their main motto is to be good at editing. So that's the only point I keep. Even when I edit this interview also, I keep myself, I tell myself, don't spend much time. Like right now, if I want to edit, I'll have that intro clip ready, and I'll use this like a video recording, and I'll attach the ending. That's it. I don't do any editing.
if you start a YouTube channel, like there is a lots of negative comments and suppose on our video. So what is your best suggestion?
Like even when I started also, like when I used to have English channel, right? But I'm not active these days. But the thing is, after some time, I felt like, okay, I need to start my Telugu channel, because I want to help the students in my community, like especially. So I started because I'm good at that particular language, so I can express more. And even before, like while starting the channel in Telugu, I felt like, oh, if I'm like, I know Telugu, but I can't express myself, right? So I started like reading book in front of the camera. That's how I started. Like I did interviews, that were like a health book. So it helped me. I did almost like 30-40 videos only like reading in front of the camera. That's it. I took that much time to get myself recorded. Like then I started, okay, I have experience of like I did my master's in USA, so why can't I start explaining those aspects? So then I got in that process, I got many ideas. Okay, I can explain students what will be the process, how they can prepare, or like what will be the visa interview, how it will be, how they can prepare. During the process, I'm getting so many ideas to implement. So I started, and also in the middle I got, okay, why like through videos I'm helping, but so many people, like so many students want to ask their questions. So why can't I talk to them on Zoom call? So I'm not a famous person, right? So I can talk to few people. So like, and I like Sunday and Saturday are holidays for me in USA. So I use that 2 days to talk to students. So like that's how. And also I got so much of, like, when I express, I did in the initial days, I shared my experience with MLM, multi-level marketing. So when I posted that video, I got like 800 to 1000 comments. Some, like, most of them are like filthy comments, like all that. Yeah. So, but when I read, I feel scary, I feel like depressed or low. But even at that time, I contacted Evan Carmichael through Instagram. Like, I asked him, like, I posted this experience on YouTube and I'm getting so much of negativity. Then he said, you just share your experience, so no need to bother about other people. They're just spreading all their negative thoughts in the comment section, that's it. They are in a bad position. So think like that. Like, I also posted video clip of him telling me how I can overcome. So I used those clips. Like, I asked 2-3 persons the same question, so they said, okay, you can do this, you can just try to ignore, try to practice ignoring, try to concentrate on doing content, helping people. Then you won't spend much time on that negative stuff. And what I did is, personally, like, I took those negative comments and converted to a video, like, not just all the posting, not just pasting the comments. Like, if I feel like, oh, this comment I can explain it in a video, like in a positive sense, I took that as I took that comment and did a video. The comments also gives you an opportunity to convert it to a great content, like a post or a video. That's what I did.
Yes. I have one more question relating to podcast. Suppose I'm like a tourism background, like I'm thinking that I am very well good at some basics in tourism. Like, I did masters, so I'm thinking I'm very well good at this tourism basic things. So if I post like tourism kind of content, but there is only few the persons who are consuming the content, it's better to post like that content. But I'm good at the tourism.
Don't think about, oh, there are only few people. But start with that topics, start your channel with the topics. You are good at telling the topics of tourism, importance of tourism, or like right now it is one of the main topic, right? Because of the COVID, there are so many questions on tourism sector. So you can take the topic and you can discuss more. You can relate it to the current situation. Like, you can create more. Like, you don't stop yourself thinking there are no audience for your content. Not at all. When you start doing it, your basic work, you will get ideas. Okay, right now COVID-19 situation is going on. How can I relate it to my sector? It is like highly affected sector, right? Tourism, and also restaurants, and like all that comes under tourism, right? Restaurants, hotels, and all that stuff. So like, you can tell each topic. You can take that topic. There are many audience who watch your content when you explain. No, not just explain, but be on a precise, do small videos, 5 to 10 minutes videos, like how these are the points I got in my mind when I thought about this topic. So just be yourself. Don't complicate yourself. Just be yourself. I'm not experienced, but I'm starting in this journey. So I want to express myself. I want to express my thoughts. So that's what you can tell those words in your videos as well. Then audience will feel like, oh, he's a genuine guy. He's telling I'm not perfect. I'm not good at communication. So like, they'll start encouraging you. I saw from the past few weeks, I'm seeing one of the channel, he's a Tamil guy, and he started learning English. through one of the app, Cambly, and he started posting those conversations. He started talking with foreign tutors, and he started posting that content on YouTube. And like yesterday, what he did is like he took his camera and he started talking for 5 minutes. He posted that, and in that video, he said, "I'm not good at English. I'm just starting. I'm practicing." Just and he wrote in the description that I didn't prepare the script. These are the thoughts I got. I'm telling. Like he's not good at writing as well, but he is like being himself, being truthful. Then when you see, he got comments almost like 200 to 250 comments saying, "I'm also like you, brother. I also want to. You gave me an idea to improve my English." Those are the comments that he got. And yeah, and also I commented on his video saying that because I'm watching him from past 2-3 weeks, I saw like he has like that unique quality, like consistency, and he didn't care about negative comments. Yes, 1 or 2 he also got negative comments, but the thing is he kept himself consistent, patient, doing the work every single day. Then I asked him, like, this is my email ID, can you give me an opportunity to talk to you? Like he emailed me back saying that thank you for the appreciation. So like he felt really happy that somebody contacted me for interview. Like I really want to, like I replied to him. I'm waiting for his reply so that I can talk to him this week.
Got the idea by saying your this experience. Why we need to interview the great person? Why we not to interview the
Yes.
average person? He's also doing the great things.
No, I don't think like average, or I think each and every person had gone through some experience. That experience is valuable for me. That's why I started like interviewing foreign people, like when I'm in America, like because I got that basic confidence by doing 1-minute Instagram videos. Then I asked myself, okay, how can I get better? Then I got an idea. Okay, why I know Evan Carmichael. I had been very active on his comment section, live sessions. So many of his community know me, like because I'm active on his chat. So like I have like I got so many new friends out there from his community, and I started following their content. And one day I asked like random people, like, this is my story. Like I have this confidence issues, insecurity issues. Like I want to overcome it by doing interviews. I feel like every experience is valuable. So can you give me an opportunity to talk to you? So they said yes, definitely. And I did like almost like 50 interviews continuously. Like it gave me so much of confidence. Like, and also in that process, in the initial interviews, like almost like 7 or 8, I like for the first interview I prepared for almost 3 hours. Like so I wrote everything. I thought that I need to be perfect at asking. I need to be perfect. Like my question need to be perfect. I thought, oh, is this a simple question, or do I need to ask him a difficult question? But I did that interview. Like for 6 or 7 interviews, I prepared all the questions. I did some homework before doing the interview. But I have that habit of asking for a feedback. How can I improve? I asked the guest. Like they said, one guest told me that you're doing great the whole interview, but the thing is you are not being present at that moment, and you are not listening to guest like good. You are concentrating most on questions because you have that list of questions in front of you, right? So you're mostly concentrating on that. So that struck me in my mind. And from after that, I told myself, okay, why can't I take it as a challenge? And I did. For the next interview, I didn't prepare any questions, but I did some homework to get to know about that person. I didn't wrote any questions. Then I started the conversations that I started with you, like asking, started slowly, and I asked what all the questions that I have, like by going through his profile. And later I got like after going through the content of Evan Carmichael, he says, use that opportunity when you have a guest on your channel, or when a guest interview guest, like use that opportunity as a mentoring session for you. Like right now you are asking about all that podcast, right? So you are using it as a mentoring session, right? Like, so use even, yeah, even the same I did, like I did the same with the interview guest. I started asking what are the questions that I have in respect of his field or her field. So like then I started like getting good at that. So like even when I talk to students, they feel like they express truly to my, like to me, like they'll say, akka like నేను ఎవ్వరికి చెప్పుకోలేను కూడా నీకు చెప్తున్నాను, like because నా ఫ్యామిలీ వాళ్ళు డిఫరెంట్ కంట్రీలో ఉన్నారు, యుఎస్ లో ఉన్నారు, బట్ ఐ కాంట్ ఆస్క్ దెమ్ దీస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ బికాస్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ విల్లింగ్ టు హెల్ప్ మీ. So
because lots of people think that waste of time, we don't want, why we enter into
because,
others matter.
Yeah, I know the pain of the student, like because I had gone through that pain, so that's why like I took that opportunity to talk to people.
Yes, I also shocked by seeing your Instagram feed while in the first time there is lots of time you are feeling low and sometimes sorry to say you are crying and like that, but
Yeah.
And you are telling after crying, you are telling, okay, I want to do that thing. That self confidence you are building, I like most really, because we have to tell
I didn't have that skill with me. I started learning and implementing. Like I learned it from Evan Carmichael. He says because emotion, people connects to emotion, right? So whether it is happy or sad, people connects to it.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, audio.
Yes, yeah.
Then I'm actually these days I'm mostly
one thing like I observed, like you messaged me seeing that video, right? Me crying.
I can't hear you. Wait.
Okay.
I can't hear you. I used to message something like.
Yeah, you saw the video of me crying and you messaged me, right? Like I remember that.
Why you were like that? I don't know. Means lots of people don't want to post their emotional videos.
But on that day I felt like really, because and at that time I remember like, okay, why can't I record this? This is not for I'm not doing it for somebody, I'm doing it for myself. Because I asked my brother to come on to the podcast like so many times, and I'm like, I felt like disappointed because I put so many expectations, right? So like but after that I started doing my own podcast instead of waiting for him. So
I think you're willing to invite your brother as a first guest.
No. The thing is, like, I want to do podcast. Like, I have some like idea, because he's very good at farming. He's into food technology. Like, he did his masters in food technology. He knows most of the terms, like most of the like in day to day about farming, organic things and all. So I want to discuss more. And also, like, he's not into computer science. He took a different field, right? Food technology. So I want to take his experience and like, so that other people can other students, that experience will help them, right, to take a decision. Oh, why can't I take a different field? So that's what I felt. But yeah. And also, like, my mother cooks very, very good. Like, she is very good at cooking. And then I start, okay, why can't I record those videos? Not it for everybody. I want to document it for myself. so that I can see when after marrying, like after getting married, I can use those videos, right, to do something. Because we all, like all our family members love her food. We don't eat much outside. We don't like outside food, because she makes everything delicious, and also like ఇప్పటికి రోటి పచ్చళ్ళు చేస్తారు అనమాట. సో మా ఇంట్లో రోలు ఉంది, రోటి పచ్చళ్ళు చేస్తారు. సో లైక్ we all love that
I
instant.
think you also used to post that all photos and
Yeah.
videos.
Yes.
These days, I think you are trying some new dishes like Telangana. Something
Chakraalu.
like that.
Yeah, chekinalu. I tasted and I felt like, okay, why can't we try it for the first time? And it didn't came well. But even then I posted it. Yeah.
Like we are communicating like this long distance. We
Mhm.
used to speak total our emotions, like what are the long conversation is good. Like
Yes.
last
Yes.
time also,
Yes.
I also I told like that my thoughts of inferiority is helpful. I didn't told anybody, but that day like I told
Because
Or-
you got that opportunity to tell, and you also felt like, okay, to this person I can tell. You got that, you built that trust. You got that trust from me. And because we are not talking about all the privacy things, right? We are talking about what are the confidence issues we are having, because I know how a student feel when they are not confident. So that's why. And
then
if
I
it's
have
like yeah, go ahead.
then what do you want to do? Then you have completed your masters. So
Like
after what?
yeah, my passion is to have three goals currently, like three main goals. One is to work with the students. I started working with students, like helping them, but still I have some more ideas. How can I even better help them? I also want to visit nearby schools, talk to the students, because I know how they feel. And also like a parents like a home surroundings are also very important. How like a parents are talking to them, like are they having conversations with their children? That is also important. Whether the kids are able to express their feelings with the parents, because most of the kids, they can't express themselves purely truthfully to their parents. So like I have those ideas. And also I'm testing some things on my nephew, niece, children, like homeschooling kind of things. How can I, because I know okay, because school won't teach all the things. We need to, so yeah, like I am I have two friends, one 8-year-old and one 10-year-old. So like that 8-year-old kid, her name is Rupika. She's like very, she'll be very active. Akka, give me something. I want to do. I want to all these holidays we are doing some activities like painting or making greeting card or storytelling. So I'm testing some things on her, because I also, even before this interview, she came to me and asked, like, Akka, I didn't prepare that English story. I told her to prepare for an English story so that she can explain that story. She did it in Telugu. We recorded that and I posted it. But I want the same thing. Like, okay, you did very good in Telugu. Okay, I also want that in English, because you can, by doing that, you can improve. I am also telling what the result they can get by doing that task. So and also more some for example, her brother won't be having this interest, but whereas for her, like she'll be like, okay, I'm feeling bored at home, I want the school back. She'll be like, she'll share all the thoughts with me, because she born and brought up like right beside our home. So like we are very close. So I'm very much inclined towards students. So that is one main thing I'm working. And also one more thing is I also want to interact with the farmers, like a farmer community, and also like especially organic farming. Like my younger brother, like who I asked for podcast, he started organic farming. Like he is doing job at the same time he is also doing some part-time organic farming. Yeah. So like and on my channel I'm posting like he is doing coconut farming, so coconut cultivation. So he got 50 plants, so I started recording the growth by monthly or by for 2 months, so that we can record like what all the things that happening. And also that is not the only thing, I want to interact with the farmers, like to get to know about their experiences. And also, and one more main thing is I want to, I don't know whether it will be like a, but I want to bring change in my village. Because yeah, not just like I want to build all schools and hospitals. The thing is I want to bring change in the mindset of the people, like how they can think differently to get better. Right now what we think is like if we send our kids to school, that's all they'll think. They don't put homework from their side, right? Like they need to take care, okay, they need to talk to their kids. Marks are not important. Whether they are good at sharing things with their loved ones, are they sharing with their parents, are they able to share it? Because when you see like students feel very much pressure during their 7th class or 10th class or during intermediate, because they are putting more pressure on the students to get good grades, good ranks. Yeah. So that
Subjects, SARs are putting more pressure on you to.
Yeah.
But after completing my 10th standard, I'm free. I'm feeling like free, but because I used to take my own choice, my own needs. I figure out. I choose to commerce. Then in my school education also, SARs usually tell that why you are going to commerce, why you need to go for maths.
Yeah.
Total in my class 16 people, only I went to commerce. All people are went to mathematics.
Okay.
So
you took a different path.
It really helped me because in my father, my mother, they didn't told anything. Whatever you want to learn, you can learn. Yes. After completing my 10th, I really took my own choices, but it helped me a lot. Whatever.
You won't have regret later in the life, because sometimes we feel like, oh, at that step I need like if I take that thing I'll be more success, but you won't feel like.
In masters also I choose to do because in my final year graduation I don't want to do like routine things. I want to do uni. So my masters also I got good university admission. Then in my masters I also shocked all professors. They are also encouraging me every day.
Yes.
Now they are encouraging me. They are sending me here. When I assessing my whole life story, like I used to read human resource management also. We have tools to analyze ourselves.
Yeah.
Our childhood. So when I used my graph till 10th, my graph is very low.
Okay.
After 10th class, my graph the measurements are very high. So, like when we are assessing ourselves childhood, it is also helpful that
because you didn't take all those decisions, you didn't make for others purpose, right? You took for your purpose. Like you didn't thought about others, you didn't thought about others opinions while taking that decision. You thought like I need to be something unique, I need to be different than others, then only you'll get success, right? If you do the same thing what other 100 people did, you'll be 1 in the 100. That's it.
I have few more doubts for
Mm.
creating content in the tourism. Suppose in my tourism podcast,
Mm-hmm.
like these days, I attending lots of webinars,
Mm-hmm.
tourism effects of COVID-19 and tourism. Like I am thinking to create the content like the most important takeaway from this webinar.
Mm-hmm.
Like it is work or it is good or not.
Like take the topic. If you feel like sharing, if you feel like the topic is worthy, then go ahead. Don't judge the topic because you are in the beginning stages, right? Don't judge it. Start doing it, because if you
Yes.
judge, you feel like, oh, this is not the right one, this is not, I feel like nobody watches or listens. Don't think, because when you post your first or second podcast, nobody listens. When you do it
I
consistently, if like when you post it 100, like you'll get spike in your listeners.
I recorded like 5 podcasts. When I show to my friends, they are little bit
Yeah,
appreciating.
yeah,
Like
because you are doing different than others, and also like by doing that, you're not wasting your time like leisurely swiping the things in a social media. You're creating content that too in a positive way, which will be useful to students, and at the same time, it is helping you to get better. Because when you start posting, you'll think like, okay, I posted this topic today, okay, how can I become better at explaining, how can I take a better topic and explain it. And also it will give you like how you can plan before doing the work. It will help you not only just doing the podcast, it will, that experience, that whole experience will help you when you get into a job, when you get into a different profession. Those skills will really help you, like how you can plan and how you can stop overthinking, how you can take like implement an idea, all those
can I
experiences.
ask some questions? Like what changes you have seen me after
Like,
after the interview
yeah, yeah,
segment?
I have seen uh, the one main thing is in our first conversation, I spoke the whole conversation in Telugu, all in Telugu, but you you spoke in English. That's the one best thing I liked in you.
First interview.
Yes, in the first interview also, like you tried most of the, like you tried speaking in English most of the time. I observed that. Yeah, I observed that. And also, even in this conversation, also, you tried yourself, like to talk in English only. So that, because you know, okay, I need to be good at this skill. So you are very conscious on that particular thing. I observed previously and now, and like when I saw your photographs on Instagram, like recent ones, I saw that confidence. Like like if you in the past, it is like edited one. It is like a no, it is not a true confident person. Those are like fake confidence on social media. But now I'm like seeing a change like in your confidence. Even now, you know you are not good at explaining, you are not perfect at explaining, you are not, you know, all those things, but you try to keep up the communication like without any breaks. And you didn't bother about the grammar, but like you only worried about, okay, I need to explain the situation of a visa interview. That is my main concern. So you mainly focused on that. You didn't bother about, okay, my grammar is not good. You didn't stop anywhere. So those are the points I observed in you.
Thank you so
I told you right, like if you go out of the country or if you go out of the city itself, you will be different person.
much.
and and also the main important thing you need to be is, you need to be conscious is the friends around you. The content you observe should be positive, otherwise it will take you to a negative person. it will lead into a negative situation, because we'll have so many things that attracts us in a different country, right? So many things. So that thing, I told you even before, you messaged me saying that I got this opportunity of going abroad. You asked me, and I at that time I told you, go and consult your seniors or professors, ask them, consult for this suggestion. And I told you, you will be a different person when you challenge yourself. So, and you asked me, I'm thinking about finances, but don't worry. If you are okay with the finances and if you are okay with going, then take that opportunity. So, you challenge yourself. So that's what I liked. You didn't feel like, oh, if I go, whether I can achieve it or not. But you just did that, and you explained me in the starting, right? 30 students wrote, and I am one of the 2 people who came to different countries. That gave me oh, you are something, you have some different strength in you. Yeah, so these are the things I observed in your conversation.
Spended money because this European Union only we are giving scholarships. That's where I take an initiative to came here. Because we didn't get the opportunities like this in future.
Yes, because it is a very good opportunity for you, right? So you're not spending money from your pocket. So college is bearing all the expenses. The only thing is you need to be very good at what you do in assignments, in very good at studies. That's the only challenge they gave you, and it is giving you an opportunity to become a better person. So when you attend any interview or in the next chapter of your life, you can share proudly with your friends, or in the job experience or in a job interview, you can proudly say, okay, this is how I felt when I want to go, but I took that as a challenge, and I'm the only person from my village, or I'm the one of the student from the 2 people out of 30. You can take those important words from your achievements, and you can keep it in your resume. They will definitely ask, oh, you did your last semester in a different country, tell something about that. They will ask that question. So it is a very good opportunity. It gave you an opportunity to become a better version of your life.
Thank you, Revati, for helping me.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Because I really felt okay, why can't I ask him for the conversation to share his experiences, because I know how you felt, because when I spoke to you for the first time, you felt you asked me all those questions. I also want to do so many things, but I'm not doing. So you explained, you put yourself right. So then I thought, okay, he took a big challenge, and he is now into he did the challenge. So why can't I ask him for his experience? Because that is what the students need. They don't want a perfect one. Yeah, because if you share the journey of a becoming, they will learn, oh, this person is in this position this year or this month, but by putting consistent work, within 1 year he is in a different position. So they will see how much you put the work, they will learn that thing. So that is the main thing I want to teach the students. Not just if you read this book, you'll get, if you listen. I don't want those things. So many people are there to teach them.
Yes. Thank you for figuring me in theories and helping me to grow my self-confidence.
Thank you, and I hope you will become a better person after coming to India.
Yes.
After your studies. Yeah. After that, let me know the status of you, and so that we can have another discussion about like about your experiences or what you can share.
In future also maybe I will come up with a few contents like how to choose career in tourism, like we have
Sure,
discussed
sure.
how to, which institutions offering tourism courses, like how we can apply for institutions, like we have to choose one special niche, like what I am pursuing now, so we
Mm-hmm.
can make future also. I
Definitely,
will let
definitely.
I will inform you by after preparing content,
Sure.
like
Like once you are done with the semester and all that work done, like when you are free, just write the ideas in a book so that once you come to India, we can start discussing on that. We can do, yeah, because like, yeah, and if you are like, if you do that presentations, it will give you like you can also put slides. You can also prepare some slides on that, like how, like what are the topics you can tell, so that
okay, I will come up with like a presentation content. We will discuss about presentation content. Like
yeah,
you are saying,
anything. Like we can discuss the topics, but make sure to have all the topics that you want to share. So we'll definitely do.
sure, I can come up with one more time in front of camera with one more content.
Sure.
I'm uh, improving my peers in front of camera by these types of conversation.
One advice I'll give is like if you have like a good amount, like not a big amount, like if you can buy a small whiteboard and a marker, it will give you like you can explain it on a board.
Just by keeping camera in front of us and just explaining the
Explaining on the whiteboard. If you take the topic and explain on the like on the whiteboard. Okay, this is what I did. This is the next step. This is the next step. That's it. Because if you explain it orally, uh, like students won't feel like interest, right? So if you explain it on the board, then okay, this is what all the homework he done to achieve that. So
yes, rather than just sitting and telling,
yeah,
uh, we can do that writing work on the board that
board,
people can
yes.
understand.
And because if you explain it, it will also help you in next chapter of your like when you go to the job or when you go like a different profession, like a profession in the sense like a sector, like presentation skills, because that is you are in that sector, right? You need to be very active at presenting the skills. So
I used to, but because
yeah,
I used to.
so it will also help you to be good at that.
I'm also welcoming you to give some suggestions if you, whenever you are free like this. Uh,
Sure, definitely. But what I will tell you is start implementing it. Like, yeah, that's it. Start implement. You will only get all the thoughts.
sometimes, but lacking in implementation. But I am doing some research. Like
Hmm.
before, I don't know podcasting. After a conversation, I know deep. I know deeply about podcasting. What is podcasting? Who are better at podcasting? Different channels. And whenever I'm going out, I used to listen.
Can I give you an idea to do podcast? Like we are talking, right? The same way you have your friend in your room. Take a topic and discuss with your friend, and just put your phone in a recording mode and talk in a like a discuss. Okay, idra manam chesindi, like for the next step visaki, because you won't remember all the steps you have done, right? He will be the other person. Okay, అది కాదురా ఇక్కడ ఇది మిస్ అయ్యాం, లేకపోతే ఇది చేసాం, వాళ్ళ హెల్ప్ తీసుకున్నాం. It will be like a conversation. Yeah,
Like one conversation, like
yeah, just like because
starting.
you didn't prepare for this conversation, right? It is almost like we started at 1 o'clock and now it is 3 quarter to 3 here. So
Just we are talking.
yeah, and that too, we are not talking nonsense. We are talking all about like improving ourselves.
Yes. Of
So
course.
that is what I can suggest you. Like use the opportunity you have at that moment. You have your friend with you. Use that opportunity like that.
Thank you so much.
Okay. See you.
Bye.
Bye. See you soon.
We will see you
Yeah.
next time.
Yeah,
Thank you
sure.
so much.
There's a difference. I want to do it and I want to be a rock star, right? Like, and that's where you influence people. Like, you know, like I want to do it, but I also want to be the most popular. And so then that person's like, oh, I want to be him. So I guess I'll be nice. Like I want to literally take people who have DNA that's kind of nice and make them more nice